Hey, welcome to CHEFSCOOL channel, a place where we meet you with recipes from books and not only, of course. You know, you can make wonderful candied peels to add to baked goods and sometimes even to main dishes. Have you ever wondered how you can make as well sugar pearls for decoration? As this is something not easily found in supermarkets, both recipes that we will show you today are actually not so difficult to prepare, and you can diversify your repertoire in the kitchen. Let's start with the recipe for candied citrus peels, for which you can use any citrus you want, like lemon, orange, lime or grapefruit. Peel the orange and the lemons, or the citrus of your choice. If you have got too much of the white part on the peel, it's better to remove it. Just use a small knife and carefully cut it off. Place the peels in a pan of cold water and bring to boil. Drain the water and repeat this process 3 times. This we do to remove some of the bitterness from the pit, using fresh cold water each time. If you like, you can repeat this process up to 5 times. Just taste one of the peels, and if it's up to your standards, continue with the next step. Next, combine water, sugar and corn syrup in a saucepan and bring to boil, stirring to dissolve the sugar. If you don't have corn syrup, you can just use water and sugar. Reduce to a very low simmer, add the peels and poach until translucent, about 1 hour. After they're ready, leave them to cool down and store in a jar or a plastic container at room temperature or in the fridge for up to 3 months. Before we continue with the sugar pearl recipe, a quick reminder that hitting the like button or the dislike button is mandatory. Subscribing, sharing and commenting below this video or any other video is essential in helping every small channel, not only ours, but every other small channel as well on YouTube. And this can really help us grow, so please consider taking your time 1 second to do it. Thank you. For the sugar pearls, place the powdered sugar and water in mixing bowl. Mix until you reach a Play-Doh consistency. You might actually need to add more water, but be careful as it can become very loose, the actual dough. So mix and add some more water until you find the right consistency, as we said, like a Play-Doh. Work the dough with your hands just to make sure you disperse the water everywhere and the dough becomes moistened enough. Just keep squeezing it until it becomes one piece and it's ready for the next step. Grate the dough in a size you like, or with your hands you can make small balls. To do them by hand, take a little bit of the dough, put between your hands, make them like a ball and just leave them to dry. Just make sure to do this step a bit quicker as the dough might start drying out. Leave them to dry for 24 to 48 hours at room temperature. Store in a jar or container in a dry place at room temperature. These pearls are incredible for decoration over baked goods. Sometimes it's easy to find them, sometimes it's hard, but it's actually super easy to do them yourself and they have a very long shelf life. That is everything from us for this video. There are these 2 recipes we showed you, which in combination with baked goods are amazing. They're a great addition to any baked good. Feel free to check out our channel for more interesting recipes like these 2. And you want to see some more here on the screen now, so don't run away and don't go to any other channels. Thank you for watching. Bye.